In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WebGL not supported by your browser Chrome. If you're seeing a message that says WebGL is not supported in Chrome, don't worry. This issue is often caused by a browser setting, an outdated version of Chrome, or a graphics-related feature being turned off. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact settings to check so you can get WebGL working properly again. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access browser settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's settings page, where we'll make a few changes that can help restore WebGL support. Once you're in Settings, look for the About Chrome section and open it. This area shows your current Chrome version and also checks whether an update is available. If Chrome finds an update, go ahead and click the option to update it. Running the latest version of Chrome is important because newer updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better support for graphics features like WebGL. After the update finishes, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser. If it does, make sure to do that. Next, go back into Settings and click on System. In this section, find the option related to using graphics acceleration, sometimes shown as Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure this is turned on. This setting allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware, which is often necessary for WebGL content to run correctly. If you turn this setting on, it's a good idea to relaunch Chrome so the change fully takes effect. After that, go to the Chrome address bar and enter Chrome flags. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. These are advanced settings, so be careful to change only the option mentioned here. In the search box on the Flags page, type WebGL. Look for the setting called WebGL Draft Extensions and change it to Enabled. Enabling this option can help improve compatibility in cases where certain WebGL features are being restricted or not recognized by the browser. Once that's done, relaunch Chrome again if prompted. After Chrome reopens, try going back to the website or app that was showing the WebGL error and check if it now works properly. If the issue still continues, repeating these checks carefully can help make sure nothing was missed. And that's how to fix WebGL not supported by your browser in Chrome.